beauty of a sunset is to tell something each day, that another day has ended today. The beauty of a sunrise is to tell us that the day is here to stay. The wind blowing on my face tells us life is a running race. So get inspired by nature each day to make your way. The flowers, so beautiful, deptic colours of life, wonderful colours of autumn so bright. The butterfly finds its own way. To the flowers, it has much to say. The bee finds its nectar so pure. The flowers pulls it towards the lure. The flowers so beautiful, deptic colours of life.